Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to be talking about the word obnoxious. Now, obnoxious is an adjective, is used to describe somebody who is extremely unpleasant, irritating, annoying, and bothersome.
Nobody listens to you. You're obnoxious and disliked.
It just describes somebody who is not very nice to be around and can be very unpleasant to other people.
But he's loud and he can be annoying, obnoxious.
Now, this could be because this person is very irritating, or maybe they are just really rude. So for example, if you imagine one of your classmates being extremely rude, loud, annoying, and just very disrespectful to everybody in the class and the teacher. This could be because they are not listening to everybody or talking over other people when others are talking. This behaviour can be described as obnoxious.
Just rude, crude, and obnoxious.
And so, in everyday life, we can use this word obnoxious to describe something or somebody that is irritating, loud, rude, and unpleasant. And so, for example, if you encounter somebody who is rude, loud, a person who disrespects others and can be offensive, as well as irritating, this person can be called obnoxious.
Yes, he was loud and obnoxious and he smelled bad, but I had no idea that he was insane.
And so we can see how obnoxious is used in a day-to-day basis in the UK and in English. For example, in this newspaper heading below, where it says Elon Musk's X Twitter logo has been removed because it has been obnoxious to the other residents. Now I ask you, can you remember any behaviour, characteristic or habit that you think is obnoxious?
I'm obnoxious, I'm deeply disrespectful.
For example,
wickedness. You're a snob, a sexist, totally obnoxious and tiresome, and lately you've gotten just weird.
And so can you remember who the most obnoxious person was at school?
I just hate all these extroverted, obnoxious, pseudo-bohemian losers.
Or can you remember who the most obnoxious person was in your family?
You are so obnoxious, you drive me nuts!
So in summary, today we have talked about the word obnoxious, which is an adjective meaning to be annoying, irritating, and disrespectful to others. And hopefully you've enjoyed this video and have not found me too obnoxious.
Just the way you talk to people sometimes. Obnoxious.
So if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a like, hit subscribe, turn on notifications to see where we next upload, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!